Okay. Ngayon, sino ang magiging third runner-up natin? Can you proceed? Move backward muna kayo. Sila doon. Ang tatawagin ko, you may step forward. Pag tinawag ko, kindly step forward to get your awards. Pwede na ba mga awards nila? Sector